Barbecue.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and it's nice to see you guys again. This week is different, much shorter than it has been the last couple weeks, because the county fair is going on. Today was the start, or the kickoff, the grand kickoff, or whatever you want to call it, for the county fair. My wife, her work was in the fair, so we actually had to drive through the fair and do the fair parade. I should say, not in the fair, the fair parade. We were doing the parade today. That's how the fair kicks off every year. And so we did that today. So I didn't do any kind of cooking today. But I tried to take some video of the food that we got and kind of the food that was available out there. So I took a bunch of video of that. So I'm probably just going to throw it into a little B-roll footage for you, and then that's what you're going to get this week. I apologize. This is kind of one of the weeks where I just kind of want to take a back seat to making videos, because we got so much going on. We're out at the fair, I mean, 4 or 5 nights at least. So not even going to worry about making a video this week, besides just what I took tonight, a little bit of video. So that's what you guys are going to see now. And I hope you enjoy it. Next week we'll get back to making some food right here in my own little kitchen. So we'll see you guys next week. But first, let's go to the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ. This week I'm not doing any cooking. We are at the fair this week, and I am just gonna film some kind of some fair food review. Get ready to go eat. Got the kids out here playing around, so we're gonna go get some food, and I'll film some of it for you. So let's go do that. Smoke Shack, getting our nachos. This is my first stop every year. Nice big old hickory's got back here. That's pretty nice. Getting our pulled pork nachos for the night. That's right. The other one's over here at the Pork Producers. We gotta get Pork Producers probably Wednesday. Pork burgers. Corn dogs, pork burgers. Look at those. Woo. Max, what'd you get? Cheeseburger and then cheese fries, corn dogs for the kids, funnel cake. I haven't had funnel cake. What did you get?
Corn. It's roasted corn. Just off the cob.
That's weird.
That's off the cob.
What'd you get? A kebab?
Well, I can't eat it.
Kebab, cheese fries, and of course the nachos. Best nachos ever. We're hunting the elusive Velker Vision. I found him! I found him! I found the Velker Vision! Yeah. Last stop of the night, Dippin' Dots. Everybody's got Dippin' Dots. What'd you get? What's that one?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough? Gotta stop at Dippin' Dots on it before we go home. My hands are full. Everybody else got Dippin' Dots. You don't have Dippin' Dots. Everybody else has Dippin' Dots. Well, there you have it, folks. That is all of it. That is all for this week. We did, as you see, we ran into Mr. Velker Vision. They were there for, I think it's his niece's, his niece was in the fair pageant, or the Junior Miss pageant, something like that. So Velker Vision was out there, ran into him, had a little chat. Seen some people I haven't seen in a while, got to talk with them. Ate a bunch of food. The Smoke Shack's always my favorite place to go to out there. The Smoke Shack and the Pork Producer Stand is the best out there as far as I'm concerned. I got some other people I know. Actually, my kid's babysitter. They have a stand out there this year, eating some food. So we got some food for the kids from them. I'll probably go back to them sometime this week. But anyway, that's all I have. I know it was short. I know it wasn't a great and fantastic video, but that's it. That's all I got. So we'll see you guys next week on another episode of New VQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.